Understanding galaxy collision, a fascinating cosmic event. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a truly magnificent and awe-inspiring topic in astronomy: galaxy collisions. This phenomenon is not just a cosmic event but also a beautiful metaphor used in various contexts. Let's dive into the world of galaxies and understand what happens when they collide. Before we talk about galaxy collisions, it's important to understand what a galaxy is. A galaxy is a massive, gravitationally bound system consisting of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas, dust, and dark matter. Our own planet, Earth, is part of the Milky Way galaxy. Galaxies come in various shapes and sizes, and understanding them helps us appreciate the enormity of galaxy collisions. Now, let's talk about galaxy collisions. Despite the name, galaxy collisions are not about stars crashing into each other. Due to the vast distances between stars, galaxy collisions are mostly about the gravitational interaction between galaxies. When galaxies pass close to each other, their mutual gravitational attraction can pull them together, leading to a collision. This process is incredibly slow by human standards, often taking millions to billions of years. What happens during a galaxy collision? This is where it gets fascinating. As galaxies collide, several things can occur. 1. Star formation. The collision can compress clouds of gas, triggering the formation of new stars. 2. Galactic merging. Over time, the two galaxies may merge to form a single, larger galaxy. 3. Changes in shape. Galaxies can change shape during the collision, leading to the creation of new types of galaxies. One famous example of galaxy collision is the Andromeda-Milky Way collision. It's predicted that our galaxy, the Milky Way, will collide with the Andromeda galaxy in about 4 billion years. This event is a great example to understand the scale and impact of galaxy collisions. I hope this video has given you a glimpse into the fascinating world of galaxies and what happens when they collide. Galaxy collisions remind us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. Thank you for watching, and stay curious about the wonders of the cosmos.